Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone issues in Windows 10. It is very easy to fix, so try each step one by one. Step number one, of course, check the physical connections, check for loose cables, faulty cables, or a muted microphone. I'm not going to tell you how to check that, but please check that to make sure that they are, of course, correct. Now, I'm assuming you have done that, so move on to step number two. Set the default microphone. There's a couple of ways to do this, but you can right click on your little microphone here, go to sound settings, and from here go to input, and make sure that the mic that you want to use is selected, and make sure that the sound here is at a decent volume. I'm sorry, I'm looking at output, but the same for input. Make sure that the input is correct and the volume is correct. The other way you can do this is go to settings, go to system, left hand side, go to sound, and from here, same thing, you can access it as well. The next thing is to look at your privacy settings to make sure your microphone is not set to private. So go to settings, go to privacy and security, and scroll down until you see your microphone. And here it has microphone access. That is all good, so make sure that this is on and not off. Also make sure that if you want to use this for a game like Xbox or whatever, that it also has access to it. Okay, next let's look at a couple of drivers. So go to Windows, type in run, type in management.msc. And here you're gonna see device manager. You're gonna see something called audio inputs and outputs right here. Okay, and what you want to do is look at your basically your microphone. That would be this sure right here. You can right click on this and say update driver and search automatically for drivers. Alternatively, you can download drivers from the manufacturer. I would recommend that. I would also recommend you to reinstall the driver and basically uninstall the device and reinstall the device if you're having issues with it. Also, if you see something called high definition audio device or something similar, basically that's not good. That means it doesn't have a driver specific for that, so I would go to the manufacturer and download the driver for that. Okay, next let's troubleshoot some issues. Go back to settings, go to system, go to sound. And from here, scroll down until you see troubleshoot common sound problems input devices. And then follow the troubleshooting, etc. On here. I'm not going to go through it. The next thing you want to do is make sure a couple of audio services are running. So type in run in here. From here, you want to type in services.msc, press enter, scroll down until you see Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Make sure that they are both running and they are set up to automatic start. You can right click on it and set the automatic to start, and if it's not running, start it. You can also try to stop it and then restart it once again, but make sure that they are both running or else the audio on your Windows system will not work. And last but not least, update your Windows computer, of course. So settings, Windows Update, check for updates, and install any updates that you might have. Okay, this should have fixed the issue. If it did, leave that video a like and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a nice day.